What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Acura Auto Garage. Today I got a quick video for you. So we're in a 2004 Acura TSX, but this video applies to all the TSXs, especially if you have an 0708. So you have an 0708 TSX, you have navigation. Yours didn't come with a backup camera. You want to add a backup camera. Real simple. We have the harness and the camera to let you do that. So here, let me just show you real quick. So while this is loading up, I'm gonna just throw it in reverse. So there you go. I'm gonna get out of reverse, get back into reverse. My camera's working. Let me show you the camera I'm talking about. So here's the camera. That's where it goes. Your license plate goes right here. See, my reverse lights are still working. If you have an 07 or 08 TSX, all you need is this harness right here. We sell it. Tell you how to make it too. So you have this wire on the end, which is the adaptive wire. This needs to have a resistor. So right in this heat shrink is a resistor, 150 ohms. This needs to go to ground, meaning it needs to go to metal. The casing of the DVD player will be, or metal, any metal needs to get attached to metal, to ground. This is power, so you can power your camera with this. This is only 8 volts. Most cameras need 12, so be careful if you're going to use this wire. My advice is don't use it, but it will be here in case you need it for some reason. And then your camera ground and video signal, which is an RCA, which is right here. So 0708, you have this port, nothing's connected to it. This slides right in here. Your camera connects right here. This goes to ground. You can put it literally to the body of the DVD player. This you do nothing with if you're not going to use it. If you have an 0408, it's a little more complicated. You're going to need a T-harness. Now there are a couple different companies that make this. We don't sell this. You would have to buy it. I'll put a link down below. Something's going to plug into here. What used to plug into the navigation is going to plug into here. And you're going to have to hook up this green box and hide it somewhere. This green box has an input for a camera, and you'll follow the instructions to install it all. It's basically, you're going to have to wire a reverse trigger, plug in your camera, give this power and ground, and it will work. On your 0408, it's a lot more involved, so I understand if you don't want to do it. But on your 0708 TSX, it's real simple. It's literally one harness you have to buy, and then you can just run your backup camera and install it. So if this is something you're thinking about, I'm going to leave the links for everything in the description. This is part of our navigation conversion video for this TSX, but that video is 45 minutes long and I expect everybody to watch it. But if you find this information useful, I just ask that you give the video a like. If you're looking for more content for your Acura, then subscribe, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, I'm going to put the links down in the description, but I just want to show you either way. So go to our website, mobilemaxcaraudio.com or acuraaudiogarage.com. You're going to end up here. Here you're going to go shop. You're going to scroll down to cameras, and then here's the camera we offer, and here's the integration harness. So you can pick both up right from us. The camera we sell is a pretty solid camera. It has a resolution of 800 TBL, so it's like a little bit better than the 480 that you can find everywhere else. And we also have the video on how to install it on your TL or your TSX. So if you're looking for that, companies are Navix and NavTool. Navix looks like this, so that's their interface right there. This is their logo. It's navix.com, and this is their interface. So this is plug and play for harnessing into the car, but for you wiring your backup camera, you're still gonna have to wire it. This also has an HDMI input, so if you're looking for that, I know this says 03 to 07 Honda Accord, but your TSX, TL, they're gonna use the same connector. They use the same navigation drives. So, and then here's the other company, NavTool. NavTool has like a lot of information here. Their interface is 239. So the other one was 250, 239. I would do my research. I don't know either of these companies too well. It looks like NavTool has a chat on their website, and Navix looks like they have help. Navix has a phone number, which is a big plus. Usually you can call and ask the questions that you want. That covers the harness you would need, the camera you would need, and the interfaces you would need to add the backup camera to your TL or your TSX.